thought I'd do a quick video of connecting the Worcester Wave to my new Greenstar 38 CDI. On the paperwork it shows it needs to connect to an M-bus only, that's the wave thermostat. I've just connected a small cable to it just so that I make sure that this wave thermostat does work. This isn't polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way the cables go. Just wanted to show quickly where it does go. Let me grab a screwdriver. As you'll see, there's no M-bus connection, but I rung Worcester, and if anyone is planning on installing this, see this connection here? Let's just focus. Shows BB, which is these two. If you connect it to these two, it should power it up and control your Greenstar boiler.